Hello and welcome to the Williams Learning Lab. In this episode we are going to count the atoms in NH3, that's ammonia, but we have a coefficient in front of the molecular formula. So we need to understand what's going on with the subscripts and the coefficient. So how many of each element is in the formula for NH3? Well, let's analyze what this all means. So we have NH3, that's our molecule, the 3. Tells us that there are 3 hydrogens. That 3 only belongs to that hydrogen. Nitrogen doesn't have a subscript, and if there is no subscript, that's the little number after the element. If there is no subscript, that means it's an implied 1. Well, the big number out here, that's the coefficient, that tells you how many of the molecules are going to be present. So let's go ahead and analyze this. So for nitrogen, we do not have a subscript. So that means there's 1 nitrogen per molecule. Now this big coefficient of 4 means we have 4 of the molecules, and so that means we're going to have to multiply that 1 nitrogen per molecule times 4 molecules, and that's going to give us 4. Now that big coefficient of 4 also applies to every other atom in that molecule. And so for hydrogen, that subscript is a 3. So there are 3 hydrogens per molecule. But we have this coefficient of 4. And so we also need to take that 3 hydrogen atoms per molecule and multiply it times that 4 molecules. And so 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, would you consider liking or subscribing the video? If you have any questions or comments, or if there's an example that you would like to see, leave that in the comment section below. Until next time guys, keep on learning.